Members of Parliament are considering legislating to introduce fines and penalties for government agencies notorious for accruing pending bills. The National Assembly's Public Accounts Committee chairperson, John Mbadi, says legislators will propose that pending bills accrued by state agencies be cleared at the start of the financial year.
Growing pending bills prompted the National Treasury to ask Parliament to legislate on the issue to ensure suppliers are paid on time. The National Assembly's Public Accounts Committee has concurred, noting that some government agencies were accruing pending bills, delaying payment despite availability of funds to settle them.
We must follow the law that pending bills are treated as a first charge in any subsequent financial year. PAC is going to ensure that that is enforced, and those accounting entities which are not going to respect that will be sanctioned appropriately.
The National Assembly's Public Accounts Committee asked the State Department of Arid and Semi-Arid Lands to settle 38 million shillings owed to suppliers during the 2020-2021 financial year.
Back to National Treasury. It was a World Bank funded project. So we are trying to follow up so that National Treasury either brings back that money for the bill, the claim to be paid, because the money was given and it reverted back to National.
Where you are coming to 2021-2022 with it. It should be paid as a first charge in 2021-2022. So what we should have seen is payments made around July, August 2021.
Just need to give all the support that has to be given to these poor Kenyan contractors so that you help them, put this together. And even if within your system it's lost, you find a way to fast track it.
Legislators further asked the State Department of Arid and Semi-Arid Lands to reform its payment system to effectively run its drought mitigation programs.
What we do now is that you have a list of all the beneficiaries, which you list down and you attach the check and the accounts of those beneficiaries in the bank. And then the bank itself now then, slots in every group's money in there.
Why don't you just pay to community-based organization, this community groups, as opposed to again creating another layer? You pay money to some other people who again now pays others with their own sets of... Why don't you just be in control and in charge and transfer the money direct to the beneficiaries?